SocialV is a WordPress solution based on most popular and time-tested plugin Buddypress and LearnPress.
We have integrated LearnPress in our SocialV for creating an engaging e-learning platform. So for that, first here you can see my dashboard and we have the option LearnPress. So in that I will go to the courses and you can see the button that is the add new. So I will just click on it. So here you can see I have a text file ready. So I will just copy the title from it and paste it over here. Then I will also copy the content and paste it in this area, and I will select the text, and also I will select the course category, and then I will just publish it. So now we will add some lessons to our courses. So for that I will click on the lessons and I will again click on the add new button. So from the text file I will copy the title and paste it here, and also I will copy the description and paste it in this area, and I will just publish it. Now I will add some quizzes. So for that I will click on quiz, and here we have the button that is new quiz. So I will click on that and I will paste the title from my text file, and also I will paste the description and I will publish it. So here you can see that there are no questions currently available. So for adding our questions, we will go to the questions, and here you can see a add new button. So I will just click on that, and from a text file I will copy the questions and paste it in this field. Now for adding the answers options, firstly I will select the single choice from this drop down, and then I will paste all the options from my text file. Now after adding all the options, I will just select the correct answer, and then I will just click on publish. Now that we have added our question, let's add it into our quizzes. So for that I will go to the quiz, and here in the question options I will select on select item, and I will just search to a question that we just added, and I will click on add. Now we can see that our question is added, and I will click on update. So now that we have created our lessons and quizzes, we will have to add this into our courses. So for that we will go to our courses, and here you can see the course that we have created earlier. So I will just click on it, and then I will add the curriculum. So here I will add my lesson. So I will just click on this button and I will select the lesson that we have created earlier and add it. Then we will also add our quiz. So we will follow the same process for that and add our quiz. So after adding our lessons and quizzes, I will just click on update. So now let's view if our course is visible on our website or not. So for that I will click on view, and we will go to our website and refresh it. And here you can see that our course has been added. Now I will click on it, and if I click on curriculum, you can see that our lessons and quizzes has been added. And this is how you can set up the LearnPress for your SocialV app and create an e-learning platform.
Get started with SocialV today and start leveraging the power of your knowledge and community.